Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA 1.4. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Enter loyalty and select card you want to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop and enter your details, then tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. So if you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.